Oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. Oh dear me. What a lovely day again. Really sunny. Just a bit of cloud earlier on, but got warm again now. And it seems like the potatoes seem to be enjoying the sun. Must be a bit of moisture in the ground for them to keep growing. So it's getting very, very dry. As you can see, they've got the grass down. So, what do they say? Make hay while the sun shines. Oh, how are we all doing in this crazy, crazy world? It seems to be getting crazier and crazier. We're all going to be wiped out with so-called AI, or the computers. Hey, they're going to take us over, so they say. I don't know. I don't know why we want that. You know. And then, oh, they're coming out, they're going to be warning us about the heat. They're going to have green, what is it, yellow, orange and red things for telling us this heat's going to kill us all off. Because of the climate change. Oh, I don't know. I think I want to be like that that musical what they were down in London in the 60s, 61, something like that, with Anthony Newley. Stop the world, I want to get off. That's what I want to do, get off. Just get off this world and find a new one. Another one what we can ruin, like we've ruined this one. Anyway, I suppose I'll have to keep going. Keep walking and feeding the birds. They don't mind me feeding them, they wait every morning. Oh, pigeon waiting up, blackbird. Hey, they're waiting for the food. Oh, blackbird, we're late this morning, aren't we? Hey, we're late, you've been waiting. That's it, isn't it? You like some mealworms, don't you? Eh? Like them mealworms. They do. And I don't know what they'd do. Why they're so dependent on me. Surely at this time of year there must be lots of food for birds, but they wait. They even come and meet me some places. But anyway, it's a lovely day and we shouldn't complain, but we do. We have to find something to complain about. That's because we're human. And of course, we're English. Anyway, I'm finishing my walk off now. I've done my shopping this morning. Thursday morning, shopping morning. Off to shopping at 7:30. Get back for about, what, 8:45? That's that done for a week, thank goodness. Anyway, I'm going now. Look at that day over there, all puffed up. They've turned it all. Looks good. Looks a good crop, that. One day you're at home. The next day you're crushed into hardcore. Such is the future. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.